In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Figma design, but I'm not going to be showing you the whole design process. I'm just going to be showing you how to make certain parts of the design so that you can make all of this yourself. And what I'm going to do is, for example, let's take the footer. All this includes is a pink background and some text. So something like that is very simple. But for something more complicated, I'll be showing you how I made that. For example, this book and appointment section, it only has some text, a shape that has rounded corners, and I'll be showing you more in the image how I do the rounded corners. It's the same process. For the about us, it's basically the same thing as well. It's just text. And for the image, I'm going to show you. Now, to round the corners of this image, just select the image and then go into this option right here. And when you're in this option, you just type in the number, and you can even expand this to round certain corners like the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right corners. And that's what we're doing with the image. Okay. And now to add a gradient color to this shape, it's very simple. Just select the shape, and then if you go into this option right here, you will see that you can add two different colors. To get this gradient option, you just select the second option. Okay. Now this one is very simple. All you need to do is add some text on the left and some text on the right, and add an image to the left or right depending on how you want to arrange these. That's all I've done. Added a gradient background, and you just change the color of the text as well as uh, in the using the fill option. Okay. And I've just rounded the corners using this. Okay. So you can round the corners, and all of the other cards are basically the same as well. Okay, so here it's very simple. For the navbar, it's just some simple text, and for the logo, it's some simple text as well. You can just use this option for the text, and for the icon, I'm using a icon from Font Awesome, and they have a plugin. You can just easily use that, and you can just get that icon from this plugin right here, and afterwards, you can just drag and drop one in, or even click one, and it will add it into the project. And the logo and everything else is basically the same. The button is basically the same as well. Make a shape around the corners, and this shape is also the same, just around the top right and left corners. And the glowing effect that you're seeing, it's very simple to do. You just select the image, and then after you have rounded the corners of the top left and right, what you can do is then select the colors you want, and then after that you can select the drop shadow effect. In the drop shadow effect, you can add in all of these options. You can just kind of mess around with these, but you just add a blur, change the color, and that's usually it to add a glow effect. So, so next we're going to be turning this into a static website, and I'm going to be showing you how using AI, what the results are, and what you would need to do to fix it then. But this is it for this tutorial. I hope you like this one. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.